Lower harvesting in garden. Every gardener dreams of abundant harvests, baskets filled with vegetables, and beds overflowing with flowers. But sometimes, despite effort and care, the garden produces less than expected. Lower harvesting can be disappointing, but it is also an opportunity to learn, adapt, and understand the delicate balance that plants depend upon. One of the most common reasons for lower yields is poor soil health. Plants draw their nutrients from the soil, and if the soil is depleted, compacted, or lacking organic matter, growth slows down. Fertilizing with natural compost, adding organic matter, and rotating crops can restore vitality. A weak soil base is like a weak foundation of a house. No matter what you build, it cannot stand strong. Water is another crucial factor. Too much water drowns roots, while too little leaves plants thirsty. Inconsistent watering often leads to stress, reducing both the size and quality of harvests. Deep, consistent watering encourages stronger roots and healthier plants. Adding mulch keeps the soil moist and reduces the competition from weeds, helping plants direct energy to producing crops instead of struggling to survive. Sunlight also plays a huge role. Plants that do not get enough light often become leggy and weak, with fewer flowers and fruits. Each plant has its own requirement. Tomatoes and peppers need full sun, while lettuce and spinach can handle partial shade. Matching plants to their ideal conditions makes a big difference in harvests. Pests and diseases are another reason gardens sometimes fail to deliver. Aphids, caterpillars, fungal infections, or root rot can quietly destroy potential yields. Regular observation, natural pest control methods like neem oil or introducing beneficial insects, and rotating crops can reduce these problems. Overcrowding is another hidden cause. When too many plants are placed in a small area, they compete for water, light, and nutrients. Thinning seedlings, spacing plants properly, and pruning overgrowth allows each plant to reach its potential. Timing matters as well. Planting too early exposes seedlings to frost, while planting too late may not give crops enough time to mature before temperatures drop. Each plant has an ideal window for planting, and following this ensures that they have the time they need to produce fully. Sometimes, the problem is not care but expectations. Some plants naturally produce less but offer quality instead of quantity. Herbs like rosemary or thyme give small harvests but last for years. Perennial vegetables like asparagus take patience, yielding lightly at first before becoming abundant in later seasons. Lower harvesting should not discourage gardeners. Instead, it is a reminder that gardening is a partnership with nature, not a guarantee. Every challenge, whether it is poor soil, pests, or weather, teaches valuable lessons. Adjusting techniques, observing closely, and caring patiently eventually lead to improvement. A garden is not measured only by the weight of its harvest but by the joy it brings, the lessons it teaches, and the life it nurtures. Even when the yield is small, the experience of growing, tending, and watching nature respond is itself a harvest of the heart.